Hello and welcome to my new video. In this video, I will explain one of ITSM Experience Module mobile app, which includes user interface and experience, incident management, request management, security and compliance. So let's start with user interface and experience. The ServiceNow ITSM mobile app is designed to provide user with convenient on-the-go access to ITSM functionalities. The app ensures that user can perform critical tasks related to incident management, request fulfillment, asset management, and more directly from their mobile devices. This enhances productivity, responsiveness, and overall user satisfaction by enabling IT operations from anywhere. So, interface and experience. Intuitive design. The ITSM mobile app features an intuitive design allowing user to navigate effortlessly through the various functions. The user-friendly interface ensures that even non-technical user can effic- uh, efficiently perform tasks. Then customizable dashboards. User can personalize their dashboards to prioritize the information and tasks most relevant to them. Widgets and shortcuts can be added or removed as needed. Then responsive layout. The app is designed to be responsive, providing a consistent experience across different devices and screen sizes, whether on a smartphone or tablet. The layout adapts to ensure usability. Then real-time notification. The mobile app provides real-time notifications for updates on incidents, requests, and approvals. User can customize notification settings to manage which alerts they receive. Then incident management. Incident creation. User can quickly create new incidents directly from the app, providing essential details and categorizing the issue for proper routing. Then incident tracking. The app allows user to track the status of their incidents, view updates, and communicate with the IT team handling the issue. SLA monitoring. Service level agreements can be monitored within the app, ensuring that incidents are resolved within the agreed upon timeframes. Then incident resolution. User can close incident through the app once the issue is resolved. They can also provide feedback on the resolution process, helping to improve service quality. Then request management. Service catalog access. The mobile app provides access to the service catalog, allowing user to browse and request available IT services and resources. Then request submission. Submitting a service portal is straightforward with forms optimized for mobile entry. Users can attach necessary fields and providing detailed descriptions. Request status updates. User can track the progress of their service request and receive updates on approval, processing and fulfillment. Then approval workflows. Managers and approvers can review and approve requests directly from the app, streamlining the request management process. Then security and compliance. Secure access. The ITSM mobile app employs secure authentication methods, including multi-factor authentication to protect user accounts and data. Then data encryption. All data transmitted between the app and the ServiceNow platform is encrypted to ensure uh, confidentiality and integrity. And compliance monitoring. The app helps ensure compliance with organizational policies and industry regulations by providing tools for monitoring and reporting. Then role based access control. Access to app features and data is governed by the role based access control, ensuring that users only have access to the information and functions they need. The ServiceNow ITSM mobile app is designed to provide a comprehensive and efficient mobile experience for ITSM, enabling users to stay productive and informed while on go. So that's all about the mobile app. In my next video, I will explain the another ITSM experience module, Virtual Agent. Thank you.